Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the background of the chat on Botim. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the background of chat on Botim. Maybe because it's been very long since you have last changed your background, or maybe you have never changed it and you just want to change it because you want something new, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Simply tap on the icon of the Botim to open the app, and once the app gets open you will see its interface. This is how the Botim app looks. Here as you can see we have the options all of the screen, at the top, in the middle of the screen, and even at the bottom. At bottom we have 5 options: call, chat, explore, contact and me. So now what we have to do is we just have to simply click on me option, which is the last option here. Just simply click on it, and there we will see that we will get many options. As you can see we are into the me section and we have many options here. So from all these options what we have to do is here is that we have to just simply click on this option which says chat and calls. Simply click on it and there you will get into this option. On the top it is written chat and calls, and we have all the options related to chats and call stuff. Here we have this second option which is chat background. If you tap on it, through this option we could easily upload a background of the chat in the Botim app. So once this option gets open you can see we have many options all over the screen. So through the first option what you could do is you could upload a picture of your own, or maybe any other picture which is in your mobile phone gallery as your background of a chat. Once you have selected a picture, just simply click on choose this option and it will get uploaded. It will also indicate you from the bottom. And again, if you go there through second option, take photo, in which the camera will open and you will click the picture at the moment. Otherwise, we have these 3 default wallpapers. You can choose any one of these. You just have to simply click on it and it will get selected. Now we will go to a chat and we'll see how the uploaded wallpaper will look. So this was a wallpaper that we selected at the end and now it has been uploaded. That's how you can also upload yours. So now I'll just get back and upload another one from mobile phone photo gallery and we will see how it will look. So for that again just get back and go to me option. Then select chat and calls, and from there just click on chat background. Then click the first option and upload any picture of your choice from a mobile phone photo gallery, and after that just click on choose. And it will get uploaded, and now we will just get back to our chat and we'll see how it looks. So here is the picture that we selected from the mobile phone photo gallery and now it has been uploaded as a chat background. So that's how you can also upload any kind of background to your chats on Botim from your mobile phone photo gallery, or maybe any other from the default ones. This was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a background of chats on Botim app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.